There is a famous story in history where cats saved a town. Now you become virus hunter Carl Johnson. With your partner Ron Mackenzie, you enter Bolivia, 1963. In San Joaquin, patients vomit blood. They tremble. Their hair falls out. The outbreak has lasted 14 months. Your mission is clear. Find what microbe is killing the town. First step, talk to villagers, map the cases. The data is terrifying. Nearly half the town was infected, half of them died. In one family of 11, 9 were dead. Such fatality rate was even unheard of before. Step 2, autopsies. Mackenzie and Dr. Hugo Guerin cut into bodies. See the protective layers around brain are all leaking blood. You isolate substance from spleen and brain. It passes filters, resists antibiotics. Bacteria and parasites are ruled out. It is a virus. You name it Machupo virus after a local river. The investigation seems smooth. You suspect insects carry it. Then an accident happens. Gallon slips during autopsy. His scalpel cuts Mackenzie's hand. Everyone is on alert. Day 1, nothing happened. Day 2, still nothing. By day 7, Mackenzie is still fine. You think you got lucky. You celebrate. But you celebrate too early. The virus strikes. Mackenzie staggers. You feel sudden chills and heat. You know the outcome. Blood vessels break down. Internal bleeding spreads. Death comes fast. Wait, it's not over. Doctors in Panama never seen this virus, but they know how to treat hemorrhagic fevers. They managed to save you all. This near-death experience leaves you with one bigger question. How does the virus spread? After recovery, you go harder. The team assumes it spreads like other plagues. An insect carries it. You then launch a massive animal hunt. Dr. Coons leads the field team. Wild mice attack. Mosquitoes swarm. Thousands of animals are captured. But one volunteer is bitten by a wild rat. Urine contaminates the wound. He dies of infection. Meanwhile, you catch thousands of insects. Fleas, mites, ticks, mosquitoes. You grind them into paste. You test them day and night. The results are brutal. None carry the virus. Something is missing. You go back to lab notes. Notice a strange pattern in animal experiments. Adult rats with the virus pass it to baby rats, even without direct contact, just sharing the same space. The problem isn't just contact, it's environment. You design controlled experiments. The answer is clear. Infected rodents shed live virus in urine. The urine dries on bedding. It becomes airborne. Healthy animals just breathe it in. You return to San Joaquin, split the village in half. One side sets dense traps. The other side does nothing. 2 weeks later, cases continue in the control zone. No new cases where traps were placed. The killer is identified. A wild rodent spread the virus through urine. Now a new question. Why did these rodents suddenly explode in number? It traces back to human activity. Villagers cleared forest along the river to plant crops. This actually created a buffet for the rodents. They also sprayed DDT to fight malaria. This killed rodents' top predator, cats. So the rodent population exploded. Machupo virus flooded into human communities. The cause was ecological. So the solution is, bring back the cats. In 1964, hundreds of cats arrived in San Joaquin. These natural rodent control experts went to work. Rodent density drops fast. The plague lost its breeding ground. The epidemic ends. Young virus hunter Carl Johnson was 35. Life was changed. You saw the darkness up close, yet you still chose to walk back and keep fighting. Science, compassion, detective instinct, all forged into one's badge. No matter when the next epidemic comes, you will fight without hesitation, point the way forward. The San Joaquin now stands in sunlight again. The cats still watch from the shadows, and you stand with them.